Hi everybody, today I want to show you this cat hammock that I just got. It comes in this package and I'm gonna open it and so I'll show you how it comes. This is it, everything is right here and I'm gonna be installing it right here. We have a little basket that is here. This is my wife's desk and the cat loves to get into this little basket and be all cozy. So I'm gonna put it just above so that we can keep the basket but also give her the option of having the hammock over here. So I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, it comes with all the parts. Here's the bed itself, or the hammock. It has the cat face wood panel that is gonna be against the wall, and the other different parts. Plus it also comes with the hardware, so all you need is basically a drill and you're set. Now you make sure that you put this screws in the back first, and then you screw the legs or dowels, whatever you want to call them. Then I'm ready to put it on the wall. So now I'm gonna put the blanket on, or what will become the hammock. So I put the basket in there just so that she gets used to it. It's a new thing for her, so we'll see, but she seems to like the height and everything. So as you can see, it took me just a few minutes to put it on. Didn't require anything other than a drill and a screwdriver, and that was it. So I hope you guys like it as much as I know she's going to be enjoying it.